Okay, quick troubleshooting video. This is my RG Pilot. I've got the frame wired, but it's not mounted on top. I just want to have access to the RG Pilot so I can see the LEDs. I'm going to do a power up using my bench power supply. We heard 3 tones, a pause, and then a long tone. And the 3 LEDs over here, none of them are illuminated, which I do not yet know the significance of that. So if I turn this off, I have a little USB power source here. So I plug that in, and the RG Pilot has some power from the USB connection. Turn on the bench and I get 4 tones all in a row without the pause. No LEDs still, so I can't arm. Even if I attempt to arm, it won't arm. Yeah, nothing there. So let's start this with the 3rd experiment. Plug it into this laptop over here. Okay, so we have power from the laptop. Oh, and what do you know? Now I'm seeing all kinds of LED activity on the APM on the arm and the GPS indication. And I know from trying this in the past, I'm now attempting the arm sequence. There it goes. Oh, I'm mistaken. It didn't go long enough. I'm looking for... Helps if you turn it on. Let's try that again. Okay. So I'm able to arm and run the motors without props. No problem, but only when I power the RG Pilot with, now that it's been booted this way, it's still armed. And if I disarm the engines, there we go. So, can I rearm? Attempting to rearm. Yep, there it goes. Okay, so turn that off. Everything is now off and disconnected. As I understand what's going on here, turn it back on using only the bench power supply. So a couple of quick flashes there, but then everything goes out. And I won't be able to arm. Try and connect my USB source after the fact. Has no change. I'll cycle the power on the bench source. Not even a flicker. Let's turn everything off. And I'm going through a few different permutations of what gets started first. So, from what I can tell, no combination of startup sequences will get the RG Pilot to the point where the arming light is flashing, which I believe means ready to arm, unless I'm connected to the laptop, which is super confusing because that means that it's not just power that it needs, but some kind of chatter over the serial connection. I'm obviously grasping at straws. Anyway, that's where I am right now, and what it means is I won't be able to fly unless I take my laptop, which isn't that big a deal, but I'm more concerned about this just not working according to how I expect it to work.